Morning student, this is class 8th social science period and we are studying geography in social science, the chapter number 6, human resources. In this chapter we have already read about what is human resources, character of human, importance of human resources, distribution of population, density of population and factor affecting the distribution of population. Okay, now today we are going to read population change. Okay, so we know that number of people living in a country or in a particular region is not fixed. Okay, as we have read about the population, distribution of population, density of population and factor affecting the distribution of population. In this factor we have read about that we find that the number of peoples are not living in equal quantity or equal number in the every places. That means to say the particular region have the total number of population of a country or a particular region is not fixed. The number of population not fixed. Some areas have the dense maximum population, some area have the very minimum population and some area receive the moderate populations. So the change in the number of people, okay, so if change from time to time due to several reasons of why the peoples are not living in a fixed number in a particular place, so there is a changes, some reasons of behind that why the peoples are not living in a particular ratio in a same place. The reason are there here the change in the number of people living in a particular area during a specific time is known as population change. The change in a particular place, a number of people, suppose 100 people are living in your village, but all over the year there is no 100 people are living there. Some will be migrate from one place to another, some will be died, some will be born, some new child will born and some old person will be died. So that's why the population will not fixed. That is called the population change. The population change is a number of people living in a particular area during a specific time is called the population change. The population can be either increase or decrease, which is due to several factors of the population of any place. Suppose the population in your village, it not be fixed all over the year or all over the month, you can say. In a month, some person will be migrate from the different places for doing their job or for getting the money. Some will be died and some will be born. So there are some important factors. Those are affect the population change. The component of population change. Okay, the factor or the component of population change are the main components are birth rate, death rate and migration of the population change. Why the population is change in our village or any place, the component, the reason are that the factor are birth rate, death rate and migration. Birth rate means in the persons, those are newborn child will born, that increase the population. Death rate, if the persons are died very rapidly in a particular place, the population will be decreased. And the migration, if some people are migrate, leave the place and they settle down from one place to another, that is called the migration. So there was a steady and slow growth of the population up to 1800. There was a steady and slow growth of a population up to 1800. So total estimated population of the world is about 100 crores. 1820. In 1970, the population was about 300 crores. Okay. There was a steady slow growth of population up to 1800. So in 1800 is the time, sun, 1800 AD. In 1800, the total estimated population was 100 crore in 1820. In 1820 AD, the population of the world was 100 crore. But in 1970, the population was increased and it became to 300 crore. In about 150 years, in 2000, the total population of world about 600 crore. Suppose 1820 to 1970, the total time duration in 150 years. In 150 years, the population increased 100 to 300. Only 200 crore people are increased. But just after 3 years later, 1970 to 2000, just only 30 years later, the population become just double of the old population. The old population that was 300 crore in 1970, in after 30 years later, this just become double, 600 crore. So we notice that there is a consistent growth of population, and today it is taking place at a rapid rate. That is seen, the population growth is very consistent and it is very rapid in condition. Component which is affecting the population change, birth rate. Birth rate is normally defined as the total number of living birth per 100 population in a per 1000 population in a year. So birth rate is normally defined. The birth rate people are born is defined the total number of living births for 1000 population in a year. In 1000 population, suppose in any place their population is 1000, so how many newborn child are born on that population at that place? That is called the birth rate. The death rate is defined total number of death per 1000 population in 1 year. Up in 1 year, any people, in 1000 people are there. In any place there are 1000 people are living. In 1000 people, how many people are died in 1 year? That is called your death rate. And migration is the movement of people in and out of particular area. In migration, some people are lived the areas and they went to the other places, or some people from the other places return back to their own areas. That is called the migration. If the birth rate in a particular area is more than the death rate, then there will be the natural growth or population will keep in increasing. If the birth rate is maximum than death rate, the population will be increased. If the death rate is more than birth rate, then population will be decreased. People move from one part of the country to another, or from one country to another country. This who come in a region or country are called immigration. Immigrants, okay? The region or country are called the person. Those are change the place in own country, or they change the place from, they went from one country to another country. This is called the immigrants. While those who leave a country or region are called immigrants. The people normally migrate within a country from one country to another country in search of work, better employment opportunities. It has been noticed that there is a large scale migration from underdeveloped countries to developed countries. We have seen the migration if people from the underdeveloped countries went toward the developed countries. In the early stage, before 1800 AD, the birth rate was very high, but the death rate was also high. This was due to lack of the proper health facilities. In 1800 AD, in 19th century, in 1800 AD, the birth rate was high as well as the death rate was also high. Why? Because of the lack of knowledge and health facilities. There is not, people didn't know about the medical facility. That's why the lack of the health medical opportunity, they were died in a rapid way. So the total population of a food was not enough to provide food to all. Thus the change or increase in the population was very slow but steady. Okay, so the total production of food was not enough. On that time the agriculture was not so developed. That's why the food production was also very minimum. That's why the lack of the food and lack of the medical facilities, people were died in a rapid way. That's why the birth rate, the population was very, the increase of the population was very slow and steady. In the earlier stage, the faster growth of people was recorded. It was due to the declining death rate as the food supplies improved and proper health facilities were rapidly available. So the birth rate remained fairly high. Up now in this timing after the 2000, due to the good facility of the healthcare, of the medicals and good agricultural development, people have got the good opportunity of the food item, and they as well as have the good medical facility. That's why the death rate was reduced and the birth rate was increased. The rate of increase or decrease in population is not in same of all countries of the world. It is varies greatly and depend upon facilities available in the country. Of the death rate and birth rate of the different countries not same, because of the different country have that there are different opportunities. The agriculture facilities are very good in some countries. Some countries does not have the good agriculture productions. Some countries are very developed in medical, but some are not very developed. So this is also affect the death rate and birth rate of the country. Many scheme of family planning, thereby restricting the number of children in a family. The developing countries are making a sincere effort to check the rapid growth of the population. There are some other reasons due to the development of science, the family planning, and after the getting education, the people understand the value of the small families, and that's why the rapid growth of the population is become checked, and people are trying to reduce the population growth. Okay, so today we have read about the population change, and now next day on tomorrow we will read the last topic of this chapter, population composition. Okay, thank you.